Imagine being able to make money online simply by just using Google. In this video, I'll show you how to make $50 up to $200 in just minutes by using Google. You may be asking yourself why you should watch this video. First and foremost, it is completely free and effective. Second, you learn everything you need to get started. And last, you'll see how much money you can make and how simple it is. And you'll be sorry if you don't watch this video. I'm sure you all use Google every day, but did you realize that you can make a lot of money by using it? I'm going to show you all the tricks and all the secrets in making money online. And I've only recently discovered this method, so I feel compelled to share it with you because I want to help you make money. And this isn't some sales video where they try to persuade you to buy something. So we're going to dive into these, and I want you to pay very careful attention to these videos and watch every single second of them because they're going to be jam-packed with a lot of value and you don't want to miss out on any important information. Alright, let's get started. First, I'd like you to go to the website, which is askwonder.com. This is not a sponsored video or an affiliate video. Therefore, I'll keep the link in the video description as well. I'm not going to be compensated in any way for doing this. So when you go to this website, basically what this company is offering you is an opportunity to become an analyst, or we can become a researcher on these websites. And this company has been here for years, and they'll be working with other big companies like Shell, HP, P&G, and Bloomberg Beta. Alright, in this video, I'll guide you through every step of the process. I'll show you one way to do it and also not a smart way to do this. I'll show you all the strategies on how to accomplish it in just the remaining 6 minutes of this video. So stay tuned. So if we go here, we can find a variety of jobs, find some research questions. All you need to do is to answer those questions, and by that, you could make hundreds of dollars by doing so by using Google. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. I'll show you through 4 simple steps to start making money on this website. But first, I'll teach you how to sign up. Go ahead and click on Become an Analyst in the top right corner, and you'll be taken to this page where you'll fill in your information, including your name, email address, password, and the city where you live now. There are many chances for you because they accept many various countries, and all you have to do is click on I'm not a robot and I agree to the terms and conditions, and start the application, which takes approximately 20 seconds. Then, as you scroll up, they show you the following 4 simple steps to start making money on askwonder.com. To begin, go to the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. The second step is that once you have found several research projects to work on, they can assign you your request to work, which you can apply for, and they will assign you the job. You'll find the answers once you've gotten the job, and you'll go out and research them. And then compile all of the facts and information, and then synthesize your findings. After that, you can submit your work and celebrate your earnings. Remember, you should gather your answers from different blog posts. Let me show you what you'll see if you scroll down. You'll find a variety of blog posts and answers. You're going to go ahead and gather that information. You get the information from the top 10 websites, and then the next step is to go to Google Docs. Type Google Docs into Google's search bar. Click the first link, which is the website of Google Docs. After that, you'll work on this and gather all of the facts and information. We can open a new document, copy the answer, and paste it into these documents. Put it into a short paragraph, and when you submit it, you might earn up to $20, $50, or even $200 by just doing that. When I go to this view and click it, it will display some examples and templates for the answers. So let's have a look at some of the insights and some short answers there. You can search up all of this information on Google. You can only find those answers in Google by searching through many blog posts and web pages. Anyone from anywhere in the world can do this with no college degree, no qualifications, and no particular talents. If I can do it, so can you. And also, the answers are just really short, around 200 to 300 words. This must be a quick answer that was derived from 5 to 10 distinct sources. You go to Google and obtain 10 different websites. You merge them all in a Google Doc, make a small edit, and turn it into a short paragraph. But if you are smart and lazy, you will always find a method to achieve that. And if you are a lazy person, we can make ways with that. We'll go to microworkers.com, and this time you'll be someone who hires people. We'll find different people to do different small tasks like searching for information, gathering data, and finding different website descriptions. And all you have to do is pay them 10 cents, 30 cents, or 20 cents. When you go on to research the information, it will be much easier and you will save a lot of time. Get somebody to do the entire job for a few cents and then sell it for a profit of tens of thousands of dollars.